Hi, my name is Kevin Taus, and I'm the product manager for Adobe Flash Media Server, working here at Adobe in San Francisco. And what I wanted to show you today is an example of some of our future technology that will allow us to deliver a consistent live video stream across multiple devices and over the desktop. So we'll be showing you some examples of live video encoding going to the Apple iPad 2 as well as the Motorola Xoom. And I've got those devices here, so we'll be showing those workflows. We'll follow up the presentation with an example of using Dreamweaver to create an HTML5 web page, and that live stream will render easily into that as well. So first off, I've got the Adobe Flash Media Live Encoder here. This is the current shipping version, version 3.2. And as you see, I've punched in the RTMP URL, which is our Flash Media Server URL, and the name of the live stream. I'm going to go ahead and click Connect, which will connect the live encoder to the server. Now in the video configuration, I've set up H.264, and because we are streaming to the Apple devices, our profile is set to main with an H.264 level of 3 and the keyframe interval set to 3 seconds. The frame rate is at 2997 and an input size of 640 by 480. And we're just going to do a low bit rate for this test, 256 kilobits per second. We're going to use an AAC stream, stereo, and 64 kilobits per second. So I'm going to go ahead and hit start, and this will now start the encoding of the video to the Flash Media Server. And what I'm going to do is bring over the console. So this is how we look at the server. And you can see that the video is actually streaming into the server via RTMP. And you can see the single live stream coming in. I'm going to go ahead and show you a video player. And though this video player is going to run in Flash, this is Safari running on a Mac. And I'm going to go ahead and show you that it is indeed Flash Player 10.2. This video player is built using the open source media framework, and I'm going to go and click the play button, and we'll remove some of the screen artifacts here. So now you can see there's a live stream, and I'll just move this over so you can see there's the encoder, and there's the live stream going into Flash inside of the open source media framework. And because this is HTTP delivery, you'll only see one stream going into the server, and the rest of the streams are actually going out via HTTP. So now over here, I'm going to open up the iPad 2, and I'll log in. And we've got Safari open here, as you can see. And this is an HTML5 rendering of the player. And I'm just going to go ahead and hit play on this. And you'll see that the live stream should come in fairly quickly. Once the video buffer has made its way into the browser, the video will start, and there you can see a live stream. And this stream is coming from the Flash Media Server. I can go into full screen. You can see there's the full video playing. Okay. Next, I'm going to show you the Motorola Xoom tablet. And I'm going to go ahead and get this way. So I'll move the iPad out, which is slightly up here. And we'll bring in the Xoom tablet. And this is Motorola's Android-based tablet. I'll just hit reload on this web page. Okay, and again, this is the Flash player running inside the Xoom's browser. I'm going to go ahead and hit play. And there we go. There's the live stream running inside the browser, inside of the Motorola Xoom. Let's move that down. You can see that the video is also still running inside of the iPad 2 as well as the Xoom. Okay, so I'll just leave those here. Now let's go back to the browser. And what I'm going to do is move this out, and I'm going to move in Dreamweaver. And Dreamweaver, as you know, is our HTML editor. And what I've done inside of Dreamweaver is added a video tag, as you can see here, video source, and I can zoom in on that. And I've just punched in the server name, and you can see that this is the M3U8 that we're going to stream. So I'm going to go ahead and just save this as a new file. So there's nothing. So we'll call it sl.html. Go ahead and hit save. And what I'm going to do is I will bring back in Safari, and I will take out this URL and just go sl.html, which is the file we just created. And you can see that Safari will render out this HTML5 video file directly inside the browser. And we can go full screen if we want to. And you can see there's the video playing. Now let's go one step more, and I will go back to the iPad 2 and click Done. And then what we'll do here is go into the Safari browser, and we will load up the stream that we just had, sl.html. Go ahead and hit go. And as you can see, the HTML5 browser inside of the iPad 2 has rendered the screen. Go ahead and hit play. And once the buffer shows up, you'll be able to see the live stream coming through. Play. There is the live stream. Okay, great. So we're now able to see both on HTML5 inside of the Safari browser on a Mac, as well as inside the Safari browser on the iPad. And the Motorola Xoom is still playing, and so is the video inside of the browser running inside of Flash. And so that's it for the demo. I hope you come visit us at NAB, and we can actually see this in operation on our theater stage or in our demo pods. Thank you very much.